Welcome back to Feel Good Eats. Today we're whipping up a super simple, high protein chocolate mousse that only needs 3 ingredients: creamy cottage cheese, cocoa powder, and a hint of maple syrup for sweetness.
First, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cottage cheese in our mini food processor. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then add 2 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you would like it. I like it 4 because I like it a little sweeter. Go ahead and put your lid back on the food processor and then start blending. Blend it until the cottage cheese clumps go away and it's smooth. Once it's smooth and creamy, go ahead and pour it into your serving dish. Then place in the fridge to cool. You'll want to refrigerate them for about 30 minutes. After they're cooled, go ahead and take them out of the fridge and add whatever yummy toppings you would like. Strawberries and bananas are my favorite toppings.
So that's it for our healthy, high protein chocolate mousse. If you like more of these recipes, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.